step by step to a printed circuit board. Using CircuitCam to create a double-sided printed circuit board. Data import. Double-click the CircuitCam icon to start CircuitCam. Click on the Import button to import a new data file. The printed circuit board in this example uses 4 files. The files for the component side, top layer, solder side, bottom layer, and PCB contour, board outline, are in the Gerber extended format. The through-hole drilling pattern is in Exelon format type 2, NC drill. Select all files to be imported. Files can be individually added to the selection by holding the Control key when single-clicking the file name. Click Open to begin the import process. Choose the layer type in the Import dialog box. The file tutor.boa contains the data for the board contour. Assign this file to the layer name, board outline, and confirm by clicking Import. In the background of the Import dialog box, the imported data appears in the graphic window. Assign all other files to the appropriate layer names. Tutor.bot should be assigned to bottom layer, tutor.drd to drill plated, and tutor.top to the layer name top layer. The data for the entire circuit board artwork now appears in the CircuitCam window. Contour routing. After all 4 layers are imported, continue creating the board contour. Select the board outline by clicking on the upper left corner. Press the Contour Routing button to open the Contour Routing dialog box. The settings should be Source, Current Selection, Use Tool, List, LPKF Cutting Tools, Use Tool, Tool, Contour Router 2.0 mm. Click the Run key to generate the contour. The contour will appear as a thick yellow line. Inserting breakout tabs. Breakout tabs must be inserted into the contour line to prevent the S62 from completely cutting away the circuit. Select the upper left corner of the milling outline. An asterisk appears to indicate an anchor point. Press the plus and minus keys to move the anchor point. The tabs are inserted later at the designated anchor points. Press the Breakout Tab button to insert a breakout tab. Repeat for other breakout tabs. This produces a board contour and includes 3 tabs holding the PCB in place. Defining a rub-out area. Before circuit milling, certain regions of the PCB can be designated as rub-out areas. A rub-out area means that the Protomat S62 will remove all the copper from the PCB, leaving only the circuit traces. Click Define a rub-out layer once to define a rub-out layer, and use the cursor to define a layer as shown. Start the isolation path calculation. Click the Insulation of All Layers button to calculate the necessary milling for the isolation of traces and removing of copper from the rub-out areas. Save the current settings by choosing File, Save, entering a file name, and clicking OK. Data export as an LMD file. Please review the CircuitCam user manual for more information and more detailed tutorials.